Hi guys, more examples on the normal distribution table. This time we want to find the area under the normal curve to the left of z equals 1.33. So again, what does this look like? I have 1.33 here, and we want all of this area to the left of 1.33. Now, when I look up 1.33, I want to remind you that the table that we have is from 0 to z, and when I look up 1.33, I get 4082. So that is telling me that this area between 0 and 1.33 is 4082. Now, question. I'm not exactly sure what this area is yet. Okay, but let's think about what this curve tells me. It tells me that the total area under this curve is 1. And we know that the line in the middle at 0 cuts it in half. So each part to the left and to the right of 0 is 0.5 because half of 1 is 0.5. So we really do know that this area here to the left of 0 is 0.5. So to get those two areas total, I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to take 0.5 and I'm going to add 0.4082. And that gives me 0.9082. Okay, so let's look at another one. Alright, we want to find the area to the left of z equals 0.92. So if I go to 0.92, 0 being in the middle, and we want to find the area to the left of that, when I look up 0.92, I get 0.3212. So that is telling me that the area between 0 and 0.92 is 0.3212. Using the same logic that I did in the first problem, we know the area to the left of 0 is 0.5. Oops. So I'm going to add those two things together to get my answer. So I'm going to take 0.5 and I'm going to add 0.3212. And I get 0.8212 for a final answer. Alright, so that kind of matches up with this rule. We want to find the area under the normal curve to the right of negative 1.48. Alright, so here's 0 in the middle, negative 1.48 somewhere to the left of that, and we want the area to the right of that. Alright, so when I look up 1.248, I get 4306. Which is going to be the area between negative 1.48 and 0. And that area is going to be 0.4306. And the area to the right of 0 this time is going to be 0.5. So I can add those two things together and get my final answer of 0.9306. And just one more for good measure. We want to find the area to the right of negative 2.81. So 0 in the middle. Negative 2.81 somewhere over here. We want the area to the right of that. When I look up 2.81, I get 0.4975. So that is this area, 0.4975. And the area to the right of 0, we know is 0.5. Oops, I did it again. So we're going to take 0.5 and we're going to add 0.4975 and we get 0.9975 for a final answer. The hint to doing all of these problems is to make sure you always draw the picture if it's not given to you. And it's easier knowing which chart that you have to make sure you can get these problems done correctly. Thanks, guys.